Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be using these gorgeous diamond molds from S Resin, and it actually comes with all 6 of these for only $19.99, which is really awesome. You get the 4 coaster molds and the 2 tray molds. My plan was to make coasters in a tray, but I didn't mix up enough resin, so today we're only going to be making coasters. I'm going to go in with some alcohol inks. These inks are also from S Resin, and I'm just dropping down a few drops in each of the coaster molds. I'm using the sapphire blue, violet, and peach red, and that's going to be it. This technique is so easy and it's so fun to do. I'm going to be using the liquid diamonds resin today, and I did go ahead and mix up my resin off camera just to save time. But if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how I mix my resin, I will link my mixing tutorial down below in the description box. In that video, I show you step by step how I mix my resin, and it's a quick, short 1-minute video. So I'm just going in and pouring my resin right on top of those inks, and I did add 4 drops of sky blue resin dye, also from S Resin, to my clear. It just gives the clear a little touch of blue. You don't even really notice it, but I like to do that with all of my clear projects, just in case any yellowing happens. The blue will offset any yellowing. Here I was just going in and very carefully scooping out a bubble. This resin that I use, the liquid diamonds, has hardly any bubbles, so I didn't have to add any heat to these. I just let them sit and basically let them dry overnight. I'm going to fill a little bit more clear into this one, and I actually ended up pouring a heart shape. Can you see that on the top right? I thought that was really cool when I was watching this back. And here we are, ready to take them out of the mold. This is 24 hours later. Super pretty. I'm going to get these in some better lighting so you can see the true color. I do all my resin art in my garage, and I have a ton of lighting out there, but the lighting gives me like a really bad glare because it's all like overhead. So I like to get things in some better lighting to show you guys how they actually look. For some reason in my garage, these alcohol ink pieces, they look really orange, but they're not orange. That you can see here, they look more pink in actual better lighting. But let me know what you guys think. I hope you give these molds a try. They're so fun to use, and I am going to be trying all clear next. I think that would be really pretty, but I wanted to try this technique with the alcohol inks in these molds because I thought that would work out really fun too. And you can see that the molds did get stained a little bit from that peach red alcohol ink, but no worries on that. Those little pink spots are not going to transfer to your next projects. And I've showed that before in previous videos. So if you do try this technique, just keep in mind your molds may get a little bit of staining, but it doesn't transfer to your future projects. But let me know what you guys think of these. I do want to try doing black next, or like a really dark sapphire blue. I think that would be really gorgeous as well. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you're all doing fabulous. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations. And as always, I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. I have a coupon code for these molds and the alcohol inks as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon for another video. Bye, guys.